Yeah, so I repaired this Bandai Taxi car, and I got it in Cornwall, and I showed you I was making tin for these two mud guards here. Now, when you look at it, you can hardly tell what's been repaired and what's not. There's the tin plate I put over the battery, right? And I mean, the mud guards, you can't really tell. I'll put more light here so you can see. Like if you look up underneath, you can't tell which is which, except this has a little plastic mold mark, I think this side. Yeah, and this one doesn't, but in general, you cannot really tell the difference between the two. And basically, that's how she turned out. Nicely reconditioned, and I'm very pleased. And the tin was pretty good anyways after I cleaned it. So, you know, it's been a really good job. I did have a video of it, I think, a part 2, but my computer crashed and I lost some stuff. So I think maybe I had it edited, the part 2, and then it got lost in the hard drive crashing. So that happens. So anyways, there she is, all done. And there's the guards all painted up and spray painted. And I think I reinforced this side, this dashboard here I reinforced. And this one I didn't, I don't think. But, you know, we did a lot of repairs on this and cracked plastic and that. And you wouldn't know the difference now when you looked at it. If you were in a shop and you came up and looked, you go, oh, that's really nice condition. So it's been a good job. It was a good restoration project. So I'm quite happy with it.